For over 40 years, CW Publications has prepared young people for life in the real world. And now the best of that experience comes directly to you with CW Pub Online. Teachers nationwide are subscribing to CW Pub Online because we offer a growing library of online, real-life simulations. There's never anything to install, making it ideal for Chromebooks, Macs, or Windows devices. All your students need is a connection to the internet. Whether your students are trying to make it on their own or learning the skills necessary to thrive in a career, being online means that as the world changes, so do our simulations. Your students will find out what it really costs to live in New York City right now. They'll make decisions about today's changing work world. They'll do math that matters. You'll have access to a growing library of exciting simulations like On Your Own, where students learn how to budget for things like housing, cars, and the fluctuating costs of utilities, groceries, and gas. We also offer programs like Get Rich with Math that test your students' ability to answer real-life multi-step problems related to paychecks, bank loans, mobile device plans, and so much more. They'll also have access to career-related educational videos and simulations that will not only help them get a job, but also keep it. Best of all, no matter how many teaching tools we add to CW Pub Online, you'll get them all for one low subscription rate. We're everything you've come to trust in CW Publications, now only a click away. Start your free trial today.